Hi my friends and my seniors, welcome back to my brand new and also interesting video. Yes guys, in this video I am discuss about a very interesting thing. That the thing is how I improve my fluency. Yes, guys, because we all are know that if we learn the English language, so in this time, I think is that our fluency. That if we cannot achieve, if we cannot if we cannot improve our fluency, we cannot learn better, we cannot speak better English language. So in this thing, how to remove in this thing and how you achieve your fluency and how you improve your fluency, that in this video I am gonna discuss about a very interesting and easiest way. So guys, watch this video till end and try to learn new thing from this video, and I gonna share to you very important and also very interesting thing by step. So I don't waste time, let's begin. So guys, first of all you have to subscribe my channel. That if you subscribe my channel and also press the bell icon, and if you press the bell icon, my first videos notification will come in you and you will watch this video easily. So guys, now I am tell about very interesting thing, that easiest way, that only the easiest way is the story. That story is the most easiest way, that you have to read the story, and if you read the story, I take a guarantee that you will learn, you will achieve your fluency easily. Yes guys, that I also can know this thing, that I also tried it, then I achieved my fluency, and then I learned the English language by stories. Yes guys, the story is the one of the most important part to learn English language. Like grammar also most important part, and also stories also most important part. That as you say, that why I said the most important part, because if you read the story you can also learn the grammar. Yes guys, when you read the story, then after when you read the grammar, so in this time you will notice that you will also read this thing in the story. So that's why in this thing is must be important, that story is the one of the most important thing, that you have to read the story, and then after a few times, after the practice, after you can speak the better language in English thing. That English language is the most important thing and most important language to survive in this time. And if you go to the another country to speak, to go to another country, so in this time that English language is needable. That if you cannot know the English language, you cannot achieve, you cannot express your thought. That if you need something, that you cannot express this thought easily. So that's why English is must be important to survive in this time. So now I will tell you that how you can achieve your fluency. And also I said that story is the most easiest way to learn to achieve your fluency. Yes guys, that I also can read the story for more time, like 100 times, 20. I also read story more time, like 100 times, 20 times, 200 times. So then now I am I now I learn the English language. Now I can speak something in front of you all. So that's why that English is the one of the most important thing, that you have to learn the English language. Without English language, you cannot survive. If you cannot survive, that in this time also I will say to you that in this time that English language is must be needable language. That without English language you cannot successful in your life. That also if you got job, that if you cannot know the English language, you cannot you cannot be successful, because you also successful but you cannot be successful. Then one of the time is the most important time, then when you age is like a 60. So in the next after 16, after 61, then in this time that English language is the very needable language. That if you after 16 age, that if you need something English language, that without English language you cannot, your dream was not completed. So that's why English language is must be important language. So nowadays we are just speak something, we are speak our ordinary language, and we are just take it. Then after we graduated and after we want to do something in our future, so in this time English language is must be needable language. And also help also English language helps us to express our thought in some people. And like thing when some foreigner came in our country, that when we meet him and when we try to conversation, when we do conversation like in this place was very good, and in this place was very good, in our country's food is very good. So in this thing we have to learn this thing, that if we cannot learn the English language, so how you do conversation and how you learn the English language. So that's why I always say in my lots of video that the storytelling is the one of the most important way to learn the English language. Also, as I say, story is the most important thing, that in this story you can help you in these stories helps us to get stock word, that if you have stock word and it is easy to speak the English language. So I also can write lot of stories, lot of things, and now I am talking about something in front of you all. So guys, you can also notice that some peoples are just learn the English language by grammar, because if you learn the English language by grammar, it take a lot of time. Yes guys, it is take a lot of time. That can if you learn the English language by story, it is very easy guys. That if you as soon as possible, like if you can read a one story properly like 100 times or 20 times, so I will take a guarantee that you will learn the English language easily. That if you can remember one story properly, you can copy it. If you can copy the story like very well, if you can speak the story like your style, so in this time you will learn the English language. So if you can remember one story, so why you cannot remember the other story? So that thing is must be important, that if you can learn this thing, if you can learn the story, you can learn the English language. This is the reality to learn the English language. So I hope you all understand what am I saying, because story is the most important thing to learn the English language. You read all the stories, all the ghost stories, all the thriller stories, all the crime stories, all stories, all the moral stories, and all the courses. That courses will help us to motivate yourself. That also, as I say, I will tell a course, simple course, that no matter how many times you fall down, that it is matter how many times you, so I hope you all understand, no matter how many times you fall down, it is matter how many times you get back up. And the second is very important, that problem is not permanent, but life is permanent. So face the problem confidently and enjoy your own life. Problem is not permanent, but life is permanent. So face the problem with confidence and enjoy your own life. So I hope you all understand that thing. So if you like this video, so also subscribe my channel, and if you have any questions also, you can comment me, and then I will help you to I will give you the answer of your thing. So thank you for watching. See you in the next more important and also interesting video.